Alright, well, yep, let me get in here with some tools and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, so we got our wrench. It's going to be a 10mm nut. I'm going to go ahead and... Alright, so be careful not to do what I did. I need to take a magnet now and stick it down in this hole. Alrighty, so what turned into something simple turned into a difficult task, you know. Alright, I retrieved the nut. Boom, there she is. And she goes along with this washer here. So to explain one more time, the ground goes on this little thing right here, the nut, the washer goes on, and then the nut. Alrighty, so I got the tail lights ready to be switched out. The orange and red OEM. Like I was saying, this clip right here needs a little poking, a little pokage to be able to come out. On this light bulb carrier, there is a pin that you must push to remove. The LEDs, boy. Check it out. Looks a little different. Alrighty, so you're gonna take your 10mm socket wrench. You're gonna get in here. There's gonna be 3 bolts. You got 1, 2, and 1 behind this carpet. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this one. And then you could just, once you break it loose, you could just hit it with your fingers or whatever. See if I could show you this one in here. Boom, it's right there. Alright, almost broke this one free. She's coming. Ah, there we are. Boom. 20-year-old tail lights. They're a little crusted on there. Yep. Well, cool. Let me clean them up and I'll get back to you. Before and after shot. See, you got some simple green on there. Oof. 20 years old worth of dirt right there. This one's looking fire. Alrighty, we got our vacuum out. We're finna get some of this crud out for the headlight install. Got the housings looking real nice. And yeah. Alrighty, boom. There we are. Just gotta clean it off. Should be looking good. Alrighty, so we got all this area looking real good, factory fresh. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the tail light. So all you're gonna do is take the new one. You're gonna place it in the 3 holes that it goes. Make sure all the wires go through. So there's one. Make sure the wires tuck in. Boom, got it lined up. Now we just gotta screw the nuts on. There's one. Got the second one on back there. Gotta throw the third one on. Alright guys, I've gotta show you this ridiculous freaking clips I have to go through. So you have to take off 6 clips to get to the next part of the taillights, right? Alright, here we are. Same thing to disconnect the lights. There's just a pull tab right here. Push it in, light drops down. You're gonna need to put something inside of there to release the wiring harness. And then there's a bolt, one there, and I'm sure there's one somewhere else you have to unscrew. Alrighty, so now we got the lights out. Let's check out what it looks like. It's the progress we've made so far. Looks completely different. But now, what I'm gonna do, it's optional if you want to do the same. Just clean around these areas, you know, these lights haven't been taken out in a long time. Get it looking good, getting ready for the new ones. Finished with the headlights now, or tail lights I mean. Ooh, it's dirty in there. Alrighty, you already know what it is. Had to hit another pit stop. Got the jack in the box, like jalapeno jack. Fucking fire. I gotta be careful not to get crumbs all over myself and in the car because it is detailed clean. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Alright, so moving on. Boom, we got the taillights installed. Got the trunk kind of gutted for what it is. Now some weight reduction and shit for some more skids. I cleaned out this box. Place that back in there. The other way. Just kind of goes underneath the carpet. It's hard to do once. These cars can just beat the shit out of your hands sometimes, man. Alright, so we got this area in. Looking minty fresh. We must place the wheel inside of the trunk. And put the camera down. Boom, alright, we got the wheel in the trunk. Put this thing back on like so. Take some of these pieces that I found in there. Alright, that goes like that. Gets tightened down by a wing nut. Get it tight, make sure the wheel is sitting where you want it to. Boom, crank that down so she's not sliding around back here when you're hitting those 360 drifts. Boom, that's that. Take this thing, put it on top, set the cover, piece of foam. Interesting. Maybe this piece, I don't know. Anyways, keep it moving. All these clips right here, destroyed. I mean, look at them. I'm gonna have to get some new clips for in here. You know, probably like 6 of them. Got the lights all put in. Gotta reinstall the jack back there. I'm just gonna set it in there like that. Take this plug. Damn. See what I mean by the cars just eat up your hands? I didn't even know I was bleeding. Damn. I hate that, man. Alright. Now it is time to reinstall floorboard thing. Put it in upside down, you know. Alright, so I was putting it in wrong the whole entire time. I got it. Alrighty, so there's the final project of the tail lights. They look sweet. Hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comments and let me know. Peace out. I was peeling this off, but I figured you guys want to see it. Ooh, baby. Baby. Ooh. Alright, so I think this is how I want the sticker. You know, I'm pretty OCD about how I put my stuff on. I like to do it the right way. So let's go ahead and just, you know, scrape this up. I'll fast forward it and get back to you when I'm peeling it off. Can you dig it? Ooh. Ooh. It's looking fire. Whoa. I lost a piece to my end. Can't have that. See, that's why you do it fucking properly. Make sure you get every letter. Let's try this again. Alright, it's looking like she stuck that time. It's the N, it has like a curve in it, obviously. Like a band-aid for the last one. Bow. Woo! Sticker window's looking good, boy.